Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to control slime. So it could be any type of slime. I chose fluffy slime, but so let's get right into the video. Okay, so if it's stuck like this or something, don't just take it out or else it'd be like that. So you go like this and then keep doing that. So I'm doing it here with my brother, and if it sticks to the floor, it's fine. Just go like this really fast so it doesn't get hairs all over it. And yeah. And I have here my brother, drawing his life for everyone. Please go subscribe and like and subscribe to this video. Let's see how fast you can do it. In 3, 2, 1, done. Alright, so you had, okay, actually I'm gonna give you more time. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to like the button. No, click the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notification to never miss our video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. So actually now you had to smash that like button, and oh my god. So okay, so now let's get, okay, if your slimes get stuck together, alright, if your slimes get stuck together, like,
look, if your slimes get stuck together like this, wait, watch, just, I'm gonna break it. Okay, if it's like stuck, you can't get it out, like it's so sticky, so all you have to do is this, grab it with this hand. It's stuck. Our slimes are stuck. Here, break it. Okay, sorry.
oh, our slimes
God.
actually got stuck.
Jesus, suck. Okay.
Alright, there we go.
So if it's stuck, just do this, and then you can see how these are gone. See, it's gone. Check these corners.
I don't know from my point of view and you guys,
but you gotta squeeze it, and then see how this is gone. Okay, first I'm gonna make it sticky. It's sticky now.
Like, make it tangled.
Okay, first it's stick, right? So now you squeeze. See now how it's separate? So now you do this, you take it out, you squeeze, keep playing with it. Keep playing. Keep playing. Check all corners on your fingers. And then squeeze. And see, you see how it's separate now?
Make sure to wash your hands after.
Yeah, make sure you wash your hands after. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Okay, yeah, see? How it's more...
Alright, so if your hand is stuck like this, it's okay. It's fine. So all you gotta do is just go here, where there's an open space. Keep playing with it, like
so.
Don't really scratch it. Just do it kind of gently. Here, I'll put it up close. I'll zoom in. Wait. Okay, so it's kind of redo like that. Then once you get all of it out, like what my brother said, you just keep playing with it.
See this?
Probably
you see
not.
all this stuff? Here watch. You see it? Yeah, you see this? Now get it out with the slime. You just keep tapping on it and then it's gone. See?
Nothing there. But
That
just wash your hands after.
Here, look, just do this. If there's something on you, just gently, look. And it's gone.
Ooh, my slime.
Oh, your slime.
No! Alright, so now, I hope, wait, actually, let me just take all my slime out.
Get interesting. Ooh, Milky Way. Let me try this.
No, that's my Milky Way.
Sorry.
Hey, that's my Milky Way. I like Milky Way.
No, that's mine. That's
No,
mine.
no,
No, no,
Ah,
no, no.
ew, ew.
What happened?
Gross. No.
Hey, that's mine. I got it. I'm gonna eat it.
Ew. You guys want to see
Guys,
slime?
look, it's stuck.
Ew. Gross. Alright. I'm gonna do this. See how it really is to be slime. Alright. How it really is to be slime.
How to find the wrapper. Ew.
Fun fact about right now. We were just, before this video, we were actually watching Lele Pons
Yeah.
and Rudy Mancuso. Goes up to them, they're really great.
Yeah, shout out to them.
Alright, so actually, sorry to make this a really long video.
Yeah, and this is boring. I'm so sorry, guys.
We talked
This
a
was
lot.
lame, but please,
Subscribe.
I hope you learned how to
Control slime.
control slime. Yeah.
And we will be making more slime videos if this gets more than 15 likes. Or something like that. But
Oh yeah, actually, we're not done. What kind of? Okay, if you want to stretch your slime, just try and make it not stick. Just keep playing with it so it won't get sticky. Cause look, if you leave it too long, you keep playing. See how it's sticky now? See it? So you squeeze. You get this hand. Oh, focus. Okay, here. You get all those stuff out, right? And look, see how you can't, it's stuck on you? And you want to and it keeps getting stuck on the other hand? Look. See? Just keep playing with it. See? So now it's off you. See? See this? You see this right here? Look at that. Chickens. Okay. Okay, so, oh yeah, how to stretch slime. You grab from the middle. So, no, actually you squeeze it. You grab from the middle. And then you see this? Like your pinkies. You stretch them out. See?
But don't do it too long.
Yeah, don't do it too long. It might.
Or not too tight. Because if you do it too tight, watch.
Yeah, if you do it too tight, then this happens.
This happens when you do it too tight. See? It already broke. But
Yeah.
this is when you do it perfectly.
Yeah, here, move.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, look, there's a hair. It's my dog's hair. Hey.
What's wrong with slime, bro? Oh, it's gonna get connected to your slime. So please leave a thumbs up, and we already gave you time. No, it's my thumbs up.
my thumbs up.
My
Okay,
thumbs
okay.
up. Alright, so make sure to like, subscribe. Hey, don't put your.
Alright, okay, guys, okay, let me
it's
talk.
stuck. It's stuck. Okay.
Okay, pause. Okay, guys, so, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry this is a lame video, but thank you for still watching. Sorry if this was lame again. Okay, let's get to the point. Can you please please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and post notifications. So
Wait, comment down below. What?
shut up. Okay. Comment down below.
What type of slime do you like?
Yeah, what type of slime do you like? Do
We
you
like fluffy slime.
This is kind of like fluffy slime, you know?
No, that is fluffy slime.
No, it kind of.
It's fluffy
Okay,
slime.
who cares? Okay, thank you guys all for watching, and please subscribe. Oh, I was about to sneeze. Alright, see ya.